I'm gonna be painting the taillights on this 2005 Accord coupe. All right. So to start off, you're gonna take off. All right, these things, they go in here and they hold it in place. There's one there, and there's gonna be one on that side. There's gonna be one there and one there. So after you remove that, you're gonna remove 3 bolts from here. It's 1, 2, and then 3 back there. They're 8mm bolts on each side. They're 8mm, and you're gonna remove those rubber pieces. I already went and removed one, so there's 2 of them, 2 rubber pieces. You're gonna go ahead and remove them with some pliers or whatever you have. All right, so also you're gonna want to remove the bolt that goes here. You have to remove it, bring down the bumper. I had to take off the tire because it's pretty big, so you just take off the screw on this side. And then these 2 screws right here, 1 and then 2, 10mm. All right, so this is what they look like right now. I'm trying to get rid of that white stripe, so I'm gonna do a little before and after. All right, so this is 2 coats in. The white is kind of going away. Same for that. White is going away already. Just 2 coats. And this is the one I'm using, the VHT Nightshade, the red one. It was hard finding this one. When the other one didn't have it, the only place I had it was O'Reilly's. All right, this is what they look like with 4 coats. The white is completely gone. That is what I wanted in the beginning. There it is. All right, now to put them back, it's gonna be the same thing. You start off with the bottom bolts. It was 1, 2 bolt, 10mm. Make sure everything aligns good. Tighten the bottom ones first so it could help them be steady. And you start with 1, 2, and the last one was over in the back there. 3. All right, so before it gets super dark, this is a little how they look on. It's way better without the white.